So if you want to buy Robux on your Roblox on your mobile phone, here is the quick video for that. First of all, you need to open up the Roblox on your mobile phone. Then again, from here you need to tap on this little icon, which is the Robux icon. So simply tap on that, and from here you can simply buy the Robux. All right, so here you can see there are many Robux here. So if you want to buy the Robux, you can simply tap on any of these like that. Simply tap on that and simply add your card details here. Here is the add credit or debit card option. Simply go with that and simply type in your card details and you are ready to go. So that's how you can simply buy Robux on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.